the first thing that I did was I had to get back in touch with myself. I'd forgotten who I was. Do you know, I'd become this role. I'd become a mum. I'd become a partner. I'd become everything that everybody expected me to be. And in all of that, I had forgotten who I was. I'd forgotten that I was a badass. I'd forgotten like that person I was before I got into that situation. And so the first thing that I did, I had to find the things that lit me up, the things that put me back in touch with the part of myself that I thought, for me, there was dancing, like singing, dancing, going out and like following my joy, you know? And then there was another part of it, which was finding stillness. You know, it was all about self-connection, for just getting back in touch with it, because we're so busy looking and doing all the things and looking outside of ourselves. We have to go inside and find out what lights us up. And we have to take stock of what is actually going on instead of projecting our like internal world onto everything. We have to take a step back and look what actually is going on.